Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct, and right behind me we have a 2008 Porsche Cayenne that we outfitted with a set of Victor Equipment ALPENs. These are in the size 18 by 8, positive 10 with a 5-130 bolt pattern. We fit them with Falcon AT3 Wild Peak 275 70 18, which is equivalent to about 33 inches in overall diameter. To be able to put these wheels on, you're gonna have to use ball seat lug nuts, which is the factory lug nut, and then we outfit them with black. So if you guys want to check this out, pretty nice setup on the Victor Equipment ALPEN, which is a new wheel style that came out too. Nice lifted. The suspension that we did was a 2.5 inch from the strut. So if you guys want to look into it, it's probably like right there on top of the strut. So it brought up the car a little bit higher and it gave it a nice look. The wheels stick out a little bit, has a small rubbing on the front, but a little trimming, a little massaging helped out. And it's a good, nice, beefier look to your Porsche Cayenne. So if you guys are looking for this wheel or any others, feel free to give me a shout. And I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Thank you.